Alright, so we have this really cool thing today. We're coming up to this like incredible abandoned haunted train station. It's gonna be this really big place.
Yeah.
We've heard that it's like really cool and there's like loads to explore. Also it's
really
haunted. Yeah, there's loads of like
People,
haunted
died
stuff.
there
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah. So I'm really excited to get there. It's gonna be really cool. Alright, so we're coming up on it now. We're just nearly there. I've heard this place is really cool. I'm really excited to see it.
I'm really excited. It's so sick. It is really cool.
Dude, stop, it's really bad. What are we gonna do?
We have to say no.
Yo, look at this place.
It's so sick.
Oh my god, this is incredible. Yo, I've heard about this. It was there was like drank by a pirate.
The general.
Yeah, a pirate.
He got smashed by a train.
It was a ship.
Yo, look. It's the haunted washing machine. Apparently, Jenny, stop. Apparently, if you get too close to it, it violently shakes. So I'm gonna be very careful.
Maybe. This place is terrible.
People who hyped this up. Dead. Dude, do you see this?
Oh yeah, we can see in.
It smells bad.
Ew.
Is that a dead body?
Wait, what? Alright, we're walking across the bridge. Bridge. And that's the bridge! Yay! Alright, we're gonna do this Ouija board seance thing. We're gonna go next to the machine. Very haunted. We're gonna contact the ghost that haunts it. So
I brought a Ouija board.
I brought the Ouija board.
I brought the Ouija board.
I brought the Ouija. No, we're using my board.
I'm using my board.
Dude, my board's literally wooden.
My board is from the Catholic Church. So is yours better? Look at it. That's Catholic Church approved. The Pope approved this. That's right, walk away with your cheap Ouija board.
You ready?
Okay.
Hello.
Jenny, did you hear that?
This is terrible.
Yeah. Should we go home?